In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check how many Facebook accounts are linked to your Gmail account. It's 2025, and with our digital lives becoming increasingly intertwined, it's essential to manage which services have access to our accounts. Whether you're cleaning up old connections or just curious about your account security, this guide will help you find exactly what you're looking for. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started. First things first, let's head over to your Google account. You'll want to open a web browser and navigate to myaccount.google.com. This website is your central hub for managing all aspects of your Google account, from security settings to personal preferences. Once you're there, you'll see a variety of options to explore, but for our purposes, we'll focus on the security side of things. Next, look for the Security tab in the left-hand panel. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page dedicated to keeping your account safe. This is where Google gathers all the tools and resources for you to manage access and secure your account. Now let's scroll down this page until you find a section labeled Your Connections to Third-Party Apps and Services. Here's where you'll start to see the connections your Google account has with external services. It's crucial for understanding what has access to your data and potentially for tidying up old or unused accounts. Once you're in the right area, you'll want to click on See All Connections. This link will expand the list and show you every third-party service linked to your Gmail account. It might be surprising just how many apps and services you've connected to over time. Take a deep breath and let's dive into this list to hone in on what you're looking for. Now carefully examine the listings under your connections. What you're specifically searching for here are any entries related to Facebook. These entries represent Facebook accounts that have been linked with your Gmail, allowing them access to your data and potentially logging into Facebook services with your Google credentials. It's a good idea to periodically review these connections to ensure everything that's linked is something you're comfortable with. By following these steps, you'll have successfully identified the Facebook accounts linked to your Gmail. If you see entries you don't recognize or no longer use, consider removing them for added security. This simple maintenance can protect your personal information and keep your online accounts safe. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this guide helpful. Stay secure online, and we'll see you in the next video.